Hi, Colin Groff here, welcoming you to the new site for our new City Hall and our world-class library. You don't see much now, but in a week we're going to be seeing new walls going up and being tilted up, so you'll see a building in about 2 weeks in place. I wanted to start you out showing a little bit about what we're doing. First thing I want to show you is this is called a mock-up tilt wall. We designed this and build this to see what the wall is going to look like after it's finished. So you'll see the block, the concrete, and as you go up, and how the windows look and how the boxes look that go into the wall. This gives the contractors an idea of what the quality of the wall is going to look like when they're finished, and it allows the city staff to sign off on the wall as it goes. So this is what you're going to see go up, but they're going to be 4 stories tall. So now we're going to walk over, we're going to see the walls being poured on the ground. So we're walking over to the foundation of our new City Hall. So what you're seeing is you're seeing some walls being poured on the foundation and on the concrete. So they pour the walls on the ground, and the walls are then tilted up into place to form the building, and then they're tied together with steel. So we're walking right now into our new City Hall. Right now we would be in the large lobby, which has not been poured yet, so we're not only in the 2-story section, and that'll come after the 4-story section is built. So now we're going to walk into the 4-story section of the building. So, what we see here is these are the walls being poured. If you look out here, you'll see some long walls laying in front of us with the steel in it, and the boxes you see are actually windows that are in the walls. This will be poured with concrete. At the bottom of the walls, there's a form liner that makes that stone, and that's what you made the stone. So it's actually put in there, and they form the concrete to make it look like stone. So these are getting ready to be poured, and again, in 2 weeks, you'll see them going up on City Hall. As we walk through the City Hall library, we can see over here, these are elevator pits where you see the wall. This is some steel ready to go into the walls. The building's designed for 185-mile-an-hour winds, so there's a lot of steel and 9 inches of concrete to withstand any kind of hurricane Mother Nature may send this way. So with that, we're going to walk over and we'll see some walls that are already poured, and we'll see what they look like. So come this way, through the construction site, where we have at least 10 to 12 contractors all working to build this building. So as we come over here, we see walls that have been poured. Again, these are the same tilt walls with the concrete all the way in them, all already poured and already finished. We'll walk this way a little bit and stay out of everybody's way because they're working hard. So as we come over here, what we see is these are some 2-story sections of walls with the large windows already poured. Underneath there is the stone and the form liner, so when they tilt the wall up, you'll see the finished wall on the other side. So what we'll be doing on June 17th is taking the 4-story walls and using a large crane, setting it in place, bracing them, and then tying them together. It's sort of like a Tinker Toy puzzle that they just fit together, they tie together, you set the steel in, and you have a finished building in about a week. So very shortly you will see the new City Hall and our world-class library rising out of the dirt.